Welcome to your installation guide for your Kinetic Wi-Fi extender. We know how important solid Wi-Fi coverage is throughout the house. This video will guide you through installing your Wi-Fi extender in order to get the most coverage. First, place the extender next to your gateway. Plug one end of the power adapter into the power port on the back of the extender and the other end into a power outlet. Wait until the power light on the front of the extender is amber and the 2.4 and 5 GHz lights are solid green. This can take up to 2 minutes. Press the WPS button on the extender for 10 seconds. The WPS light will begin to flash. Press the WPS button on the gateway for 2 to 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi light on the gateway will begin to flash. Wait until the power light on the extender is green. This can take up to 3 minutes. Your extender is now paired with your gateway. You can now move your extender to its intended location. Follow these steps to move the extender. Unplug the extender and move it to a new location. Ideally, you want to move the extender about halfway between the gateway and the area with poor signal. Keep in mind the extender still needs to be in range of the gateway to pick up the signal. Plug the extender into power and wait until the power light on the front is green. This can take up to 2 minutes. Check to make sure both the 2.4 and 5 GHz lights are also green. This means the extender is in a good spot. If the 5 GHz light is red, then you should move the extender closer to the gateway. Once the lights indicate a good signal, grab a wireless device and make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Once your extender is installed, you can access other FAQs, chat with us, and manage your Wi-Fi connection, all from the Go Kinetic app. Check out the video link on screen to learn more.